Hello, this is Rishika, 24-year-old PhD scholar in India, and this is my day. I really like having small bed. I have to set the bed way less. So yeah, that's cool. I have a lot of things to say on the vlog, but I don't know what to say and what not to say. So I say anything. I have a very simple morning routine. Sometimes I pray, sometimes I don't. I had these flowers and you need to pluck them out the niche wala part so that they don't take up much energy of the flower or something like that. Out of all the flowers, I love Rajnigandha. Fills the room with the beautiful smell that it has. Some days I feel it's bad to pluck flowers, other days I feel it will die eventually, so why not? I do basic skincare because I do think my skin needs care. ऊपर ऊपर की चीज लगा लेते हैं. एप्पल्स खाओ या अच्छी चीज़ें खाओ वो तो नहीं होता है. ये एप्पल आई ईट इट लाइक it's like a task for me. I have to finish apples, and these apples I got it from Jammu. I carried it from Jammu till here and I still don't eat it. Bhai the cook auntie also cuts the apples for me and I still don't eat it. Like what could be done? Anyway, I had to finish some work before going to college because कोई काम सही time पे हो जाए वो कैसे हो सकता है. Also, I got this kurti made out of a different top that I had. Insert picture here. This was my outfit. I really liked it. Everyone and their mother has this leather wala bag right now in Delhi because I am seeing it literally everywhere, but I still love it. It's so good. But इसमें weight का अच्छे से balance नहीं हो पाता. Like it gets heavy even with the slightest of the things. But I still like it. It makes my outfit look cool. I kid you not, if you see me in college, I'll always have papers with me because ये paper work कभी खत्म ही नहीं होता है, हमेशा ही रहता है. But they pay my bills and my coffee bills, so that's okay. I made this coffee when I came back home. I don't usually give my clothes in the laundry, but sometimes I do. There's a small market in my neighborhood. I really like that, and it has literally everything available. So I had to arrange my own dinner aaj. So I went for a stroll. So my cook auntie didn't come aaj sham mein, so I bought some litti chokha because I have wanted to try it for so long and it's dripping of oil. So that's not a good sign. Good sign is look at the glow. Look at the glow. Gorgeous. We have some chokha. Let me show you my food. Gorgeous. Litti chokha, honest review, I did not like it. It was too tikha. I don't even eat mirchi in my normal food. And it had so much mirchi that only mirchi ka taste aa raha tha. So not recommended. This one. Otherwise it's good. Then रात में I started to do some Diwali ka safai. I started arranging my cupboard, but then I saw that it has lost some paint, so I started painting that. And then while I was painting that, I saw that मेरे दीवार पे भी some colors have been off, so I started coloring the दीवार also. And then I forgot that मैंने क्या काम शुरू किया था. And then this is what life is, isn't it? Like you just keep going. And then at night I studied and watched my last video. If you have not watched it, you should watch it. I think I liked it and I think you would also like it. And yeah, that was it for the day. This was the day as a PhD scholar in India. It's pretty nice and a life that I would recommend for people. Okay, bye-bye.